Like and subscribe. Maybe donate to the Ramen Raider, link in description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from the United States. This is a new book. I haven't seen it. I know it has to do with ramen, so let's crack it open and have a look. Oh, wow. Well, they sent more than one book, and they're different, so this is cool. Here is the first one. And it's called Kawaii Cafe Ramen. And here, let me have a look inside and I'll see what we got here. So this is it's a cookbook. It's got a bunch of recipes. This one is for an omelet. This one's for Ajisuki Tamago, which is marinated egg. I use those a lot. I usually don't go and use all these ingredients to make them, but I might in the future. It's kind of neat too. It'll have this little gauge on each one of the instructions as to the difficulty to prepare, the amount of time it takes, and how many servings it makes. This one's kind of neat. Tonkatsu ramen. So tonkatsu is breaded chicken fillet, whereas tonkatsu is pork bone broth. So it's kind of, you can mix both of those things up in this one. That's pretty cool. I think I'll sit down tonight and look through this thing all together. This looks cool. If you're really interested in finding some recipes and stuff about ramen, this is pretty cool. And here's another one. This one's called The Anime Cafe. 50 iconic treats, snacks, and drinks from your favorite anime. So let me have a look in here. This one sounds pretty good. Apple risotto with bacon. What anime is that from, though? I don't know. All I watched when I was a kid was Star Blazers and Robotech. So I've never really gotten any of the other stuff. But, yeah, I have no idea. It's from season 1, episode 16 of Food Wars Shokugeki no Soma. Yeah, I don't know, but pretty neat idea, and yeah, that's cool. So I've never heard of this guy, and I guess I'll have to read this one. Insanely Good Ramen Meals, The Ramen King. I don't know this Ramen King guy. Ramen King Ivan. Let's see what we got here. I've heard of a different guy named Ivan who does stuff with ramen, but interesting. Okay, what do we do? There's eggs, making ramen. My first video ramen, huh? You know, I wonder if I've ever talked to this guy. I may have. Chicken honey ramen. That's interesting. I wonder if this is the guy who made like the extremely hardcore straight dill pickle juice ramen. It could be. Some of these don't sound too bad. Yep, using it for wings. Interesting. Yeah, I'll have to delve into this further. This is a neat one. These are all hardcover too. These are really nicely made books. Cool. And finally, we have Modern Asian Kitchen, and this one looks like it's kind of goes over all sorts of different Asian food cultures in one book. So let's see what we got in here. Looks like they're showing you how to make shumai, which is pretty cool. Showing you how to make shrimp dumplings. Cool. I mean, I'm a huge fan of dim sum, so maybe there'll be some in here I'll want to try my hand at. Cool. And yeah, I have a feeling with this one, my daughter is probably going to be like, ooh, we should make this and 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 this. And so we'll see how that goes. But anyways, yeah, check these guys out. Good stuff. All right, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.